Hi friends, today in math, we're going to look at another strategy for addition and subtraction of numbers. Thank you so much to Madame Mundy for sharing this lesson with us. In math, we have so far looked at representing our thinking using number lines, 10 frames, pictures, and counters. We have looked at friends of 10. So we know different number pairs that make 10. 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, and 5 and 5. Okay? And we know that 9 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 9. And 8 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 8. Today I want to show you another way to think about numbers. This way has one big circle, okay? And that's the number that we're thinking of, the whole number. And then two smaller circles. And then there are two lines for connecting. Now we have to build it. So we have a big circle, two little circles, and two lines for connecting. Let's put it together. Here it is all together. What do you think? Right there. This is what we're doing today. And this is called a number bond, okay? Now you may be thinking, what is this? What does this have to do with numbers? It looks a little bit like something out of Star Wars. Is this for numbers in outer space? And there you see a little spaceship there. It looks kind of similar. Today, you will watch a video that explains number bonds very, very well. So after you finish this lesson, I would like you to go and listen to that video. The teacher explains what a number bond looks like, okay? And here you can see, okay, I come up with a number and then I break it into two parts in each of my hands, okay? So the big circles, the whole number, and then in each hand, we put two parts that add up to be that whole number. Let's look at an easy number bond to see how this works. I'll put my picture over there. So I'm going to choose a number and I'm going to choose 6. Okay, and there's 6. Okay, that's the whole number. I'm thinking of the number 6. Okay, so I put that in the big circle. Now, in the two little circles below, we're going to put two parts that add up to give me 6. So what numbers add up to equal 6? You may be thinking 5 and 1, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2. So for this one, we're going to be doing 4 and 2 because 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so there's my whole number 6. And part what I have in one hand, I have 4 in one hand, and you'll see that here, 1, 2, 3, 4 in one hand. Now, how many do I need in my other hand to give me 6? Okay, well, I would need 2 in the other hand. So 4 plus 2 gives me 6. And there you can see I have 2 in that hand, okay? So 4 and 2 add together to give me the whole number, which is 6. Look at what we can do and show with this number bond, okay? So our whole number, we have 6, and we make 6 using 4 and 2, okay? Now, using this number bond here, we can make 4 equations, 4 number sentences, 2 addition sentences, and 2 subtraction sentences. So I can show 2 addition equations. Equations is another word for number sentence. So one number sentence using this number bond is 4 plus 2 equals 6. Sorry, let's continue. So, like I was saying, the two addition number sentences could be 4 plus 2 equals 6. And I have that here. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now we can also say the opposite. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. Okay? 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay? Now, I can also show two subtraction equations. Okay? 6 take away 4 leaves us with 2. 6 take away 4 leaves us with 2. And the opposite. 6, so that's the whole, take away 2 leaves us with 4. 6 take away 2 equals 4. Okay? So for each number bond, you should have 2 addition number sentences and 2 subtraction number sentences. Now you'll notice for the addition number sentences, the answer is 6 because we're adding 2 parts to give us a whole, and the whole is 6. Okay? For subtraction, we're starting with 6. We're starting with a whole and we're taking away so that we're left with part. The teacher explains what a number bond can show. And this is kind of what I was just talking about. Okay, so for addition, it's part plus a part gives you a whole. So 2 plus 4 gives us the whole, it gives us 6. Okay, subtraction, you start with the whole. So you start with 6 and you take away part. So we can take away 2 and that will leave us with 4. Okay? Today, after watching the video once or twice, you can make your own number bonds on a piece of paper. Please choose 3 numbers between 5 and 10. Which numbers will you choose? So for your whole number, I chose to do 6. Which whole number are you going to choose? You can choose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. Next, on a piece of paper, you will draw 3 number bonds, 1 for each number you chose. Put the whole number in the big circle and the parts in the smaller circle. Okay, so if you choose 8, you put 8 in the big circle. What 2 numbers add up to give you 8? Okay, you may say 6 and 2 because 6 plus 2 would give us 8. Remember, you're doing 3 different numbers and you will have your number bond and 2 addition number sentences and 2 subtraction number sentences. Okay, here's an example here that I wanted to give you. So I chose 8 as my whole number. Okay, so I chose number between 5 and 10. I chose 8. Okay, and 2 numbers that add up to give me 8 are 6 plus 2. So 6 and 2 are the parts. Okay, and remember, you have to show 2 addition equations. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, 6 plus 2 gives you 8. Okay, and the opposite, 2 plus 6 gives me 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8, and 2 plus 6 equals 8. For subtraction, you start with the whole. So we're starting with 8. 8 take away 6 is 2. Okay? 8 take away 6 equals 2. And the other equation, 8 take away 2, gives me 6. Okay? So you need to do 3 number bonds, okay? And 2 addition and 2 subtraction equations for each. Okay? Have fun with it.